What's up, guys? If you have trouble getting into the bed of your truck, are you 40 years old like me? Oh, and this just kills your knees trying to get up on this rib tailgate. Nothing to hold on to. I mean, lucky for me, I got a rooftop tent, but it's just a pain in the butt to get up here. Well, I've got a solution for all your back and knee problems getting in the bed of your truck. Let's hop down and take a look. So Lexland Gear sent me over another one of their great products. It's a retractable bed step. We're going to be mounting up today, doing an install on. It's really going to help me get in and out of the bed of this truck without having to climb on my knees on this tailgate because it kills me trying to get in and out of the bed. So let's see what's all in the box. All right, let's see what all we've got. Okay, so we've got the step itself here. Looks like it's a really well made, nice quality material there. Looks like we have the bracket here to mount to. Mounting bolts. It does come with a, looks like a 14 and 12 millimeter wrench. Instructions. Also with pictures on how to install it. All right, let's dive into this. All right, guys, so I have the ARB factory tow hooks here that came from Toyota. They're going to be a 22 millimeter nut here. We're going to get those off real quick so we can put this bed step on. All right, guys, now that we got the factory ARB red tow hook off the back, we're going to assemble our step really quick. So there's two sets of bolts here. They send one extra bolt in each set. You only need 3. We're going to take the smaller of the bolts. That's a real simple install here. This just goes right on top. You can put all 3 bolts in. We'll get those tightened up. All right, now we'll move back down to the bottom of the truck to get this bolted up. I'm going to show you a view of this. You're going to start with this top one as a slotted bolt. You'll be able to slide this whole assembly on and then drop the step and put your bottom 2 bolts in. All right, guys, we're going to start with our 14 millimeter bolt and just get it going on this threaded hole that's already here in the frame. Love how Toyota did all the threaded holes this time around on the 4th gen frames. We got that started. Like I said, we're going to take this side right here. We're going to drop this bolt into here. All right, guys, so we're going to take the step and extend it so that we can have access to this hole right here, and also we'll be able to get the bolt in here. We're going to start by sliding it up on this bolt because it's already got that built-in slide there. It's got a little range for your top bolts. We'll start with those. Slide that in place. Get this one going. All right, now we get our next bolt in right behind here. All right, now we'll follow up with our upper bolt up here. All right, now we're gonna come in behind and get this last upper bolt. Start with the wrench in so we can get enough room to run the ratcheting end on. Check all 3 bolts to make sure they're all snug. And that's a wrap. All right, guys, we got it all installed. It took all of about 5 minutes. Let's try it out. That's convenient. Really nice and sturdy here. It's got a big wide step. Let's try it out. Oh yeah, that's so much easier than climbing up in this bed on my knees and trying to get into the bed to get anything out of it. And climbing out plenty wide enough so you don't slip and fall or bust your butt out here. So that's really nice. Gonna make life a lot easier for me having a rooftop tent, every time I have to set up camp, I've got to get up on the tailgate to pop that up or to take it down. So that's going to make it a lot easier. Let's see how it retracts. Oh yeah, that is super quick and easy. Pops right into place and right up out of the way. All in all, 10 out of 10 as far as my opinion on this. All right, guys, if you'd like to get your own bed step from LexlandGear.com, I'll leave a link in the description below. You can use code TacomaKenny at checkout for 25% off your entire purchase. Anything on Lexland's website. They have plenty of accessories and parts for Toyota Tundra, 4Runner, and Tacoma. If you like this video, hit that like and subscribe button. It really helps me to make more content like this for you guys. And if there's anything else you'd like to see me review or install on the truck from Lexland Gear, please leave a comment below, and we'll make that happen for you guys. Thanks again for watching. Have a great day.